everyone, my name is Vishal Singh Chauhan. I am welcoming all in the universal learning. Are you one of those students who are thinking that his or her English is so weak or his or her English could not cope up with the other students? Or do you ever wonder that you are from the Hindi background so you could not be able to speak in English? But the truth is that despite of any background, you will definitely cope up with the English. So in this video, I am going to tell you a two-step strategy that will definitely help you to cope up with the English and get a high command over the English language. So stay tuned with me till the end of video and make sure you subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon because that motivates me to make more videos for you. So let's get started. First step is reading. What does it mean? Reading means you have to read a lot of stuff in English. You have to take a sources in English. You can read the comic books, you can read the newspaper, all this in English. Because when you're reading the stuff in English, indirectly or directly, all the information will get into your subconscious mind. It helps you to increase your vocabulary or helps to improve your English. But it also builds your confidence. It also increase or construct your mind in a very constructive way. So try to read a lot in English. As you are beginner, you are taking the help of comic books because the conversation found in the comics books are so interesting that you will definitely enjoy that conversation, and that also helps to improve your English or the vocabulary part. So try to read more in the English. You can read the newspaper, comics books, sources book or motivational books in English. You will easily get the PDFs of the different books on the internet also. So try as many as you can to read all the sources in the English. Reading also helps to increase your intellectual power also, increase your neurons path also. So reading is a very great exercise of brain. So try to read more stuff in English despite of your native language. And second point is in reading is read it loud. When you're reading something, read it loud. Why I'm saying this thing, read it loud? Because you have to create a comfort zone with the English language, with those words, with these vocabulary sections and with these phrases. So you have to read it loud as much as you can. If you are reading a one page, try it to be loud. Okay, when your ear is hearing the same voice, your head recognize that and you will be able to cope up with that English language in a more efficient way. So first point is read as much as you can in the English language. Start with the comics or the newspaper or any one of your interesting book. And second point is read it loud. These 2 points in the reading section will definitely help you improve your English and definitely increase your vocabulary section. And second step is listening. Listen more. The more you listen, all the English information will get saved into your subconscious mind. It is a very obvious process that when you are listening an English song and when listening any conversation in English, your brain try to observe it, your brain try to gather that information into their subconscious mind. So try to listen more. So you can do many activities of listening in English also. You can watch TV series, you can watch any interesting videos, you can watch simple conversation between two human beings that will definitely help you to improve your English. Listens means listen and observe. Listening, I'm going to tell you that hooked on the English TV show. Select any TV show of your choice and hooked on that. Try to understand the conversation between two characters. You can take any of them. My favorite is Friends. I have been watching Friends from last 2 years. So yeah, Friends are my favorite. The characters of Friends I observed deeply and particularly and specifically. That also helps to learn the English in a very efficient way. You also listen an English song with a subtitle. Everything is present on the net. You have to take advantage of the available resources on the net. So these are the two techniques by which you can improve your English. In the coming video, I will tell you 2 more techniques that will definitely help to improve your English. And last, I am giving you a bonus tip. Start thinking English. Don't translate Hindi into the English. Start thinking English. For example, the object present to surrounding. for it history, it may be anything bad. Try to make some kind of anecdote story, try to relate it, try to mapping it. Okay, try to connect something into it, but you have to think in English. When you think English, your brain automatically start to giving up that kinds of word. You don't fumble anymore. So start thinking in English. So I'm ending this video here. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment me down, so I will reply you. And please share this video with your friends. That will a great kind of motivation for me. And if you like this video, please give a like thumbs up. That motivates me to make more videos for all of you. Thank you guys. Subscribe this channel and share this video with your friend. Bye bye. Take